Hello again, Toyota BB or Scion BB lovers, first generation one. So I got this Choro-Q here loose at a diecast show, and coincidentally, there's a Tamiya model kit of a black BB with flames on it. But I couldn't find a picture of a real car with flames like this. I'm sure it's out there somewhere, but it's probably in Japanese, so I couldn't find it. Anyway, it's just a bunch of custom ones. This one's got some cool like turbine wheels. Those are the original wheels. Another different type of turbine wheel, and then I think these are actually common on Volkswagens. Schmidt, maybe those are Schmidt Racing wheels or something. All right, so it's a really boxy vehicle, and it looks pretty boxy here in cartoon form as well. So this is just a clear body, and it's painted black. The windows are actually smoked. The whole body's smoked. And nice textures here in the grill, and nice silver on the lights. It actually has a BB logo right in the grill as well as those grill lines. No license plate printed, but the outline is there. That's all normal. Tampo printed, no decals. Well, door handle detail. The molding is nicely molded. Window molding is nicely molded. Standard Choro-Q wheels, we're going to get rid of those. Some red paint for the taillights, and this says Q Shop Special in this wacky, like, graffiti style. And every now and then, Choro has just these random things called Q Shop Specials. So this one's obviously from 2005. There's some ribbing on the roof. There's definitely a lot of scratches. This was probably played with by some kid before. Yeah, so 2005. Worn out quite a bit. So these are pullback toys, by the way. So that thing is probably rammed into who knows how many walls. Alright, well, it's not necessarily bad right now because chrome goes well with a black body, but I like my BBs to be customized, lowered, and all that stuff. I like those photographs. So undo the screw. Let's see if the tab comes out without modification. Nope. Yes, it does. See? So anyway, smoked clear body there. I gotta get rid of this motor here. And that is trapping the axle there. I'll save these for another time. And I have another motor here that has the axle removed. Snap that in. Snap it back in. And I'm going to hand screw the thing back so I don't strip out that hole. Wow. No. I feel like maybe I'm using the wrong size screwdriver, but usually I use this size. Strange. Maybe someone swapped out the screw or something. Okay. And then I have some 3D printed wheels I've used before. I believe these may have come off of a Lamborghini Countach or something, the early one, an LP400. Okay, and then I'm mounting it with poster putty. So got that. I could sink the tires in, but then it would have I prefer the rake right now. Alright, let's take a look at some other toys. Alright, I have a metallic orange one here with some 3D printed, I think these are RPF1s, NK wheels? I forget. I bought them, I didn't make them, so I actually prefer that one, I would have to say. And then I have one called an open deck, and this has some metallic alloy wheels for like Hot Wheels and stuff, aftermarket. I never even knew about this car existing, so collecting toys got me into that. Here's a second generation BB, which I don't think was ever sold in America. This one looks a lot cooler, and then I have those original wheels printed out. And then really boxy is a Toyota step van. So it's just from a race pack, I guess, because it says Circuit. But it definitely says Toyota. Just says click delivery. Toys Dream Project 2. Alright. So a bunch of boxy looking little cubes on wheels. And I kind of like them. Yeah. We got a little Bandai Star Wars Evil droid robot. I forget what the code name for that droid is, but yeah, it's made by Bandai. So, well, thanks for watching. If there are any other funky Scion BBs with crazy liveries, I'll probably pick them up if I can get them for a good price. Alright, see you until the next video. Bye.